Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and again we're talking about the VW TSI engine, and more specifically problems with, let's say, a misfire. All right, you may be getting a misfire P0300 that's multiple, or misfire P300 or P301 all the way up to P304. That means, you know, one is one cylinder, four is fourth cylinder. Misfiring P0300 is multiple misfires. Basically, that is a vacuum leak, okay, because all coils, all fuel injectors, all compression can't all fail at once. All right, so it's got to be something that's affecting all cylinders, and when you're having unmetered air into the engine, that can affect all the cylinders. If you have no fuel to the car, that can affect all cylinders as well. But of course, there's other things that would entail. We're talking about vacuum leaks now, and over here on this cover, it just pulls right off. All right, it's got those little rubber grommets over there. It pulls right off, and what you're going to be looking for is this little hose that goes from here. It goes around to the back, and it usually lays like this, and it's plastic and has clips. Now look what happened with this one. You can just see that. You see how it just melted through? And over here, the same way. Now, this excessive heat was probably due to because the engine overheated, but they do wear out, and there's clips here that cut through, and it'll give a slight vacuum leak, and it'll drive you crazy. Usually you'll get a 1 or 2 misfire, and you think it's just one cylinder, and then it can jump to 4 because it's a multiple misfire. That's what's happening. But sometimes the computer sees it more in one cylinder and tells you, okay, it's number 2, and you think it's number 2, but then all of a sudden it can jump to 1 or 3 or 4, and then like, okay, what's going on? And it could be this. And this thing is like $75 for this little plastic thing. And what you can do is just get a little piece of rubber hose like I did here, and you can just cut these off, take out the clip, because these clips have to be clipped in. They clip in. There's a little O-ring in there. And the same thing with the one in the back that's right here. You see that? So basically it goes like this, comes around here, and goes right there. This is, I put a rubber hose there now instead of that plastic thing for $75, trying to save the person money. That's gonna last longer than this thing did. And if it did get hot, that's not gonna melt like this did. And then you'll take care of those problems really fast and easy. Easy peasy, Japanesey, even though this is German. All right, guys, Motorcarnut. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions pertaining to the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.